Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I did a video earlier, but this one's going to be better because me and my friend Nah, this freshy noob guy, we're going to start from fresh from Booga, and if I hit 5 likes, because we didn't do it last month, 10 likes, and then we will do a series of it. So hopefully we can hit, if you really like it, we have to reach 5 likes. Right now, we're both bacon heads because we don't have any, we just randomly made these accounts today, rushed a couple minutes ago, and we started doing this.
Come on, brick faster.
Oh, and I can craft us that.
I'm lagging.
I should craft us. Hold on, I can craft us both a axe in them. Oh wait, you can craft yourself an axe when you get steps. I'm gonna get 1 log. I need 1 log. Oh,
there's freshie right here.
There's a freshie. Kill. Oh, stop running.
Holy shit, if I have my water walker
I
now.
know, right?
If I have my water walker now, dude, we kill them so easy.
Everyone, type in comments if you can't wait till Soybean updates Booga. Type in update, and if anyone says update,
fight me.
People want Booga to be back. I can make a leaf t-shirt. You be doing that, I'm going to be making us a bag.
Fight me. Yeah. I almost got him. Yes, I got him.
Her, don't you mean it's a go? Nah.
Got him.
Her. I'm going to make us both a bag. Give me all your leaves. Give me all your leaves.
I don't have any leaves.
Oh, I can make me a bag, but now I just need to make you one. I need to be careful what I have in my inventory. We really need to level up so we can get stone items, because if we get stone items, it'll be much easier to mine stuff. Oh, give me that. Oh, never mind. Come here. There you go, there's your bag.
Alright, Santa.
We freshies will know everything about the game. Dun dun dun. By the way, guys, this is going to be a longer video than my last one. The only reason my last video wasn't that long was because that was my first ever video. So I didn't want it to be too long, because otherwise I would be getting...
Oh my god, I'm so slow.
It was feel kind of weird doing it for that long. So we didn't do it. So I only made my video 5 minutes last time, but I'm hopefully going to make it at least 10 minutes this time. I will hope.
Hey, Jared.
Yeah?
Jared. Take your band.
Thank you.
No problem.
Rah! People better be scared. There was a guy with a mag helmet over there. There was... Thing is, normally when I play... Oh, there's a guy over there, but we can't kill him. Normally when I'm playing Roblox...
Yes, I can.
Oh,
I can.
Okay, I'll help. Oh, okay. I thought he was mag. So yeah, normally when I play Roblox, I watch some YouTube, but I can't watch YouTube now because otherwise I'll get copyrighted, so I can't do that. He's scared. He's scared.
Fight me.
Think he's gonna have water walker. That's the thing.
Fight me.
Oh god.
Oh god. Okay, I'm gonna get this one.
Yeah, we can kill him.
I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you too, dude. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you, dude. I'm gonna get you.
Wait, lead him to me. Run! Oh, no, run.
Oh god. You know that I can join with my account now and kill him?
Why are they attacking me?
Jared, this
Yeah.
idea sucks. I'm joining with my main account.
Oh, we just ruined the video, basically.
This idea is fucked. They are killing us, dude.
Well, Noah might have left, but I'll still do the video. But he'll still be in the background speaking. Guys, I'm gonna log. I don't want to lose my stuff. Okay, I'm gonna go on another server. No.
Yeah?
How about, hold on, send me a friend request on your NAR account, and then you could craft me stuff, and that'll be a most OP freshie ever.
Alright.
But only like a crystal stick, that's all I need.
Okay. Alright, I added you.
Okay, I'll accept it. Oh yeah, by the way guys,
No,
don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.
Now I will go and get myself.
So I accepted it. How did I log? No, how did I log?
I don't know.
He didn't even hit me and I left. I left when he wasn't even near me. What the flip? Okay, back with that stuff. Oh my god, why am I so slow? I hate being slow in the water. We now have a chest lookout and everything.
Okay. And now I want to eat my stuff.
That's alright.
Alright, let's go. Get some gold bars.
By the way, guys,
I don't think... Should I get bloods too before I come?
I don't know. By the way, guys, also, if you want me to play another game, called Tower of Hell, I'll play it and I'll try to get one of my other friends to join me on it, and I can play that game if you want, because Tower of Hell is a good game. Tower of Hell's fun, even though I'm bad at it though, but it'll be good content seeing me rage. Let's go to this island and mine some trees and try to kill these people in the base. If there is anyone even in that base. What is that? And at the end of the video, I'll show you guys some of the leaks of the Booga update. Because then you guys can know, if you play Booga, you'll know what some of it's going to look like. Let's just get some stone from when we were right level, just in case if you guys want me to do a next episode. Can I mine iron with a... No, I can't. Okay, guys, now let's go see those leaks of the Booga Booga update. Let's go on Discord, see the Booga Booga update. Oh, let me take my friend back quickly. I'm gonna go on Booga Booga. We can go on Sneak Peeks. And here's the first one.
I will be back, okay?
Okay. So yeah, this is the first one. You see, I just like no more mojo. They're getting rid of mojo. That means no, not a single. Not a single. There's not a single thing. There's not a single mojo bar point. Let me take my friend back. So yeah, let's go back to it. And this is going to be the new bag system. So you can like see what's in your bag, like magnetite stone, wood, sticks and all that. And here's why I put that, like, because the trees, and you can type Sky Island has changed a little bit, I'm pretty sure. The map's changed a little bit, and there's like creatures, like green blobs. And if you guys didn't realise, there's stuff down here. And then there's like these. That one has iron, that one has stone, that one has stone. I don't like their nose part. Their nose part doesn't look cool. Opinion. That part's still the same as always. I think. Wait, what island is that? I don't know what island that is. And this, everything's changed. Essence, white essence. I want to know what that is. Coins, emeralds, pink. Okay, now they're adding actual pink diamond ore. What looks pretty cool, or will be pretty cool, and all the food, blood food looks even better now, and like it looks like there's different kind of wheat, and coconuts look nice. I like the look of coconuts, and I want to know what that block is, and coins look the same. Okay, I'm now